Hey, Sam here. Let's talk about SaiyBot. Just a few seconds to check my huge list of high-quality bonuses included in this software. SaiyBot is a WordPress plugin that makes website management a breeze. Simply speak or type your commands and the AI creates new content, updates your plugins and keeps your WordPress site current all on its own. It also generates relevant AI images. Let's see how it works. Install the plugin, log into your members area, download the WP plugin and install it on your WordPress site. Site Setup. Run the Setup wizard to optimize your site title, optimize your permalinks, install vital plugins, and much more. You can have AI to write your site title and tagline. Speak or type. Click on the microphone icon, speak to AI, and tell the app to create new content, update existing content, or update plugins for you. Once done, click the AI icon and the assistant will help you and you will be able to write new content fast. If you already have some content, choose the rephrase option. The plugin will also create images for you. Enter a prompt and generate. Prices and OTOs included in this software.
In this video, I'm going to show you a full demo video of our new Alexa style WordPress plugin that will set up, write, optimize, manage, update, and handle all of your website needs for you so that you can get more traffic and more sales, while our bot handles all of the most time-consuming and tedious tasks that your website requires. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Here I am in the members area, and I've already got the plugin downloaded and installed on our site. So I'm just going to jump over to there and show you exactly how it works. All right, so here I am inside of my WordPress website, and again, the plugin is already installed. I'm not going to go through that whole process of installing a plugin. If you've never installed a plugin before, then we do cover that in the tutorial videos inside of the members area. However, once it is installed, the very first thing that we've automated for you is the ability to have your entire website set up for you. Now, this is especially powerful for those of you that are setting up a new website. If your website is already set up, then you can go ahead and skip this step. But if it is a new website, this handles all of the most important and time-consuming setup process that normally would take you 20 to 30 minutes to complete. You can now have it done within a matter of minutes, okay? And that's things like changing your site title, your tagline, your permalinks, adding a bunch of plugins, and we will be expanding this list here over the next couple of days to install even more plugins for you. And it will remove all of the default settings, all of the default post pages, and all of that. And all you have to do is just check which one of these you want for our robot to do for you. And if you do need some assistance, you can click this option here and have our AI write your title and tagline for your website for you, so that it's better optimized than you having to write it yourself, especially if you're not too good with SEO and optimizing for SEO. So this will do it for you. But once you select the options that you want, you just hit start setup, and the whole setup process of starting a new website will be done for you, okay? And once that process is done, then from there, you can continue to have SaiyBot do multiple different things for you. And you'll see here on the bottom right hand corner that you'll now have an AI assistant activated to do multiple different things for you. So if I click on this and then I click on this microphone button, I will be literally able to talk to our SaiyBot robot and tell it to do exactly what I want it to do. And let me click on it so you can see the example. Add a new post with the title, How to Remove Mold Yourself. And there you can see that I have prompted it with my voice to tell it to do something for me. And you can see there within a few seconds, it created and took me to the post editing area with the title that I prompted it to do for me, okay? So now the new page is created. I'm going to go ahead and copy that again, and you'll see that now in the editing area you also have an AI assistant that will continue to help you throughout the entire process. So at this point, it's already set up my entire website for me. It's already created a new post with the title that I want just by me telling it to. And then from here, it's now going to take it even further and even write content for me that's going to be perfectly optimized, perfectly written, and even undetectable to the AI content detectors, okay? So I'm going to click on this option here, and you'll have two options here. So if you have no content on your website so far, just like this post here, I'll be able to expand any sentence that I write to an entire paragraph, okay? If you do have content on your website already and you want to take advantage of the power of refreshing your content so that Google can come back and recrawl your site, you can rephrase any existing content on your site to give it that additional boost in rankings if you are working on an older site. For the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to go ahead and expand this initial sentence. Okay, and here you have a few options. You have the style where you can choose formal or casual. Okay, I'm going to leave it at formal. You can select how many words you want it to expand this sentence for you. So you can sit here and literally build a very high quality piece of content by you just using the AI assistant to do it for you. So I'm going to go ahead and just click expand from here, and it's going to take this one sentence and turn it into a 200-word paragraph for me. And you can see how quickly it did that. And I'm going to go ahead and use the expanded option, and then from here I can continue doing this same process. Okay, you can do the same thing, expand, click expand, and you can see how quickly that does that. I'm going to click use expanded version, and you can see how you can sit here and work alongside your new AI robot and not only build an entire site and set it up on your own, but craft perfectly readable, high quality content that ranks on the first page of Google and gets you free traffic. And on top of that, if I come here and add an image, you'll see that the AI assistant pops up for you as well, so that you can also create an image to be used with the content that it's helping you write without having to go to a third-party app or leave your website for any reason. And all you have to do is click this option here and create a prompt. And for this particular post, I'm going to do something like, all right, I went ahead and just did something quick, a nice 2-story house with a 2-car garage. All right, and there you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and just use this image. And there you go. As you can see now, not only has the plugin helped me set up my site, if I would have ran through the whole site setup, it's helped me create a new post by me telling it to. It's helped me write content and even create images all inside of one place without having to move anywhere. I'm going to go ahead and save this draft for now. I'm going to show you a few other things that our app can do. So if I come here, it will also activate plugins for you by you just telling it to. So you can come here and go install the all-in-one SEO plugin. And you can see that as soon as I tell it to do something for me, it will make me confirm. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. And now that plugin has been installed for me. So if I come here to the plugins area, you'll see that this plugin is now installed for me without me having to do anything, but just prompt my new SaiyBot app to do what I want it to do. So you can use this to, again, set up your sites, tell it to create posts for you, tell it to create pages for you, tell it to install plugins for you, to uninstall plugins for you, and pretty much prompt it to do anything that you want it to do. And all you have to do is just come here and talk to to our plugin, and it will perform a ton of different tasks for you. And that is our SaiyBot plugin in a nutshell. Again, it's the first Alexa-style WordPress plugin that will set up, write, optimize, manage, update, and handle all of your website needs for you, even create AI images for you on the spot without you having to ever leave your site. And it will pretty much automate everything that is the most time-consuming and tedious task that your website requires, so that you can just focus on the more important things like getting traffic and getting rankings. And our SaiyBot plugin will handle